In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a form in using HubSpot. We'll start right inside your HubSpot account. From the main navigation, open the marketing menu. This is your central hub for lead capture tools, and it's where you'll find the option we need next. Choose Forms to open the Forms dashboard. Here you can see any existing forms and manage performance, but we're creating a new one. So select Create Form to begin. You'll be prompted through the setup flow. When you see the form type screen, go ahead and click Next to proceed. This confirms your selection and moves you into the template stage. Templates are a great way to get a head start, especially if you're aiming for a standard contact or newsletter form. Take a moment to browse the available templates. Look for a layout that matches your goal, short and focused for quick signups, or more detailed if you're qualifying leads. When you find the right one, click Use Template. Now you're in the editor. This is where you can tailor the form to your audience, update field labels, and help text so they're clear and action-oriented. Keep required fields to a minimum to improve conversion. Name and email are often enough for an initial touch. If compliance matters to your organization, review consent or privacy language and make sure it aligns with your policies. You can also rearrange fields for a logical flow and adjust the submit button text to something friendly and specific, like get the guide or request a demo. While you're here, consider the follow-up experience. The thank you message should confirm what happens next. And if you use notification emails, make sure they're enabled and point to the right team inbox. When your edits look good, choose review and update to double check the details. On the review screen, scan for typos, confirm field requirements, and ensure the form name is clear so your team can find it later. When everything is set, click Update to save and apply your changes. Next, select View Form to preview it as your visitors will see it. Test it quickly by imagining the path the user takes. Does it read smoothly and is it easy to submit? When you're ready to use the form on your site, choose Get Embed Code. This gives you a snippet you can paste into your website's HTML to display the form wherever you need it. If you don't have access to your site or just want to share the form directly, click Copy, a share link to generate a hosted URL you can send in emails or post on social channels. And that's it. Your HubSpot form is built, reviewed, and ready to capture leads.